The Great Pyramid of Giza, a marvel of ancient Egypt. The Great Pyramid of Giza is a huge pyramid in Egypt. It was built thousands of years ago by ancient Egyptians. Here are some cool facts about it. Big and tall. The Great Pyramid is one of the biggest and tallest pyramids ever built. It's made of huge stones and used to be covered in shiny white limestone. Mysterious inside. Inside the pyramid, there are tunnels and rooms where ancient pharaohs who were like kings were buried. It's like a big maze. How it was built. Scientists think that the ancient Egyptians used ramps and sledges to move the heavy stones into place. It must have taken a lot of hard work and many years to build. Ancient wonder. The Great Pyramid is one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. It's still standing today, and people from all over the world come to see its amazing beauty and learn about ancient Egypt. The Great Pyramid of Giza is a fascinating piece of history that shows us how smart and creative the ancient Egyptians were. It's a wonder that continues to amaze us to this day.